Today, we're adding some cool digital distortion with the glitch effect, perfect for tech vibes, transitions, or just giving your video a unique edge. First things first, add your video to the timeline and select it. Now, look over to the right side panel and click on the Effects tab. Scroll through or just search for glitch. Click on it once, and Clipchamp will instantly apply the effect. No dragging needed. Now, here's where it gets fun. You'll see two sliders. Glitch intensity lets you control how strong the distortion is, and glitch speed controls how fast the glitch pulses. Try adjusting both until you get a look that fits your style. If you want something subtle, keep the intensity low. If you are going for a full cyber breakdown, crank it up, and that's it. You've just given your video a glitchy upgrade. If this helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp editing tricks.